How to fix CapCut lag. So if you want to fix with CapCut lag problem, then first you just need to open up your CapCut application. So once you open your CapCut, now you can go with a new project or you can go with an existing project. So I'll be choosing an existing one. Once you choose now here, if you swipe right, then here at the ending you will have a TikTok ending, right? A watermark. So what you need to do is you just simply tap on the ending and then tap on delete. Once you tap the ending and delete, then your CapCut lag problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then try trimming your video for as little as possible. It is another option that may help you. So you can simply try trimming your video. Now if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to remove your CapCut application from your background and then you need to open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down, tap on apps and then tap on CapCut application and scroll down. In here you just need to simply tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage, and you need to again log into your CapCut and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your CapCut lag problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.